Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Once again I'm back. I'm Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotel since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Today we are in continuation with our series of discussions on equity investments or equity financing and key elements. I have spoken about various important and crucial elements for equity financing. We will talk about private financing. A lot of us keep on talking about private financing, a fantastic source of getting the investment. If you get private investment, it's a boon in disguise. So let us understand what is this private investment all about. Yes, private investments come from obviously private investors. Private investors are ones who have a kitty or loads and loads of funds, in short, through authentic or mostly non-authentic ways. We can say private funds may come through a politician, HNIs, businesses who are into unethical kind of activities. They also have a lot of unutilized funds. Overall, if you see, there is a lot of surplus and unutilization funds in the market available. It is only crucial that how you tap it. Tapping it is very important because a lot of such funds are being handled by smart finance experts. All such guys hire some nice finance experts and it is routed through them. It is rooted in the in the form of debt. It is rooted in the form of equity as well. However, why it is a boon in disguise for the owner? Because it gives you a lower rate of interest, a debt with lower rate of interest. Equity participation is there, wherein somebody who is borrowing the money or somebody, a owner or a promoter who is looking for investments in equity, a private investor who is investing in the project takes away most of the risks, most of the financial burden. So obviously the owner is at a better batting pitch. So private investors coming into your business, it is always good. It will only help you in your project and the burden will be lesser as compared to the other source of investments. Winding up with this, I am going to continue with this series. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you. If you like my video, say like, subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. It will only give you a lot of knowledge loaded on my YouTube. Till then, God bless.